Join that thing for
Oh, really?
next semester I pay like 4.
Anyone here?
All right.
Did anybody ask?
Here we go. We have 3 problems to go. And if we can get through these 3, Joseph James, I will stop blabbing. That deal? All right, so here we go. Problems. Page 28, problem G. All right, a little tricky, a little harder now. That has some fractions involved. But step 1 is the same. What's step 1? Divide by 36. So 9 over 36 would give me 1/4. Now, is 1/4 a power of 1/2? It's 1/2 squared. So now I have this guy equal to 1/2 squared. So this equals this. So x over 4 equals 2 and x equals 8. Now you guys, if you let yourselves get psyched out because the problems look hard, you'll get confused, but they're really simple. All right, let's look at the next one. All right, so here we go. What's step 1?
Divide by 27.
Divide by 27. So 1/3 to the x equals, is that 9?
Yeah.
Now wait, I have a 1/3 and a 9.
See.
Isn't 1/3 what?
You're so close, man.
Okay. Actually, I think she's thinking right. She's thinking this is 1/3 to the negative second. Now, that is a big jump, but she's exactly right. First of all, how does she know it's going to be negative? Because she needs it to be 1 over. Why is it -2? Because 9 is 3 squared. That's a lot. So she thought of this as 3 squared, and then she needed it to be 1 over, so it was 3 to the, oh wait, yeah, so it's 1/3 to the negative square, to the negative square. That is a lot, Emily, good job. So now, x equals -2. Now, when I do this problem, I'm not quite as with it as Emily is. So I took a little different route myself when I did it. What she did was fine. It'll work every time. But what I did was say, okay, these two don't match up. So I'm going to go ahead and change them both into 3's. So this would be 3 to the -1st to the x. And this would be 3 squared. So then -x equals 2, so x equals -2. So we get the same answer, we just did it a little bit differently. And I got one more and we're done, I promise. What are you going to do first with problem number, or letter I? Are we going to multiply by 1/8?
Multiply by 8.
We're going to multiply by 8. Right. So 2 to the x over 5 equals 64. Can 64 be written as 2 to a power? Let's see how many of those we need. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64, so I need that many? How many is that? What did you say? 6? So 2 to the x over 5 equals 2 to the 6? If I don't let you use a calculator, you have to be able to do something like this. So x over 5 equals 6 and x equals 30. Beautifully done. You should now, kids, you should now be able to do everything through the first half of 3